What is it? You see the birds?
I like when you can actually see.
What is it? Let me see. Let me see. Right now we are on our way to Green Cay. It is this boardwalk area where there's a bunch of animals. You can see like alligators, pelicans, many different types of birds. It's really, it's surrounded by trees and wetlands. It's
Who
really
are we going
cool.
to see, Xavier? Xavier, who are we going to see?
Nobody's seen you.
We're going to go see their cousins.
Woohoo!
It's a good half an hour drive to this nature place that we're going to, and Sage is practicing for his audition for next week.
Catch up.
See a little bit.
Very observant.
Oh, I see some over there. Tadpoles. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna edit this. That's gonna be in the video.
Do it for the vlog.
Ha. It's not a vlog.
Really great. It's not a vlog. And look at that one tree in the back. Yeah. I want to go big. Swim with the gators. I wonder where the gator is. It's probably right under you.
Over that bridge, there's an alligator.
Let's see. Let's go. See the alligator. You gotta get these. You gotta get these.
Yeah, right? I'll be like encounter with the giant alligator.
He's like, people, I'm trying to sleep here. Get away from me.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, like, I'm being disturbed. I want to go back to sleep. I think Xavier thinks it's in the water. Xavier, look, it's in the grass. It's in the grass, under the tree. No, not the bird, not the...
You just said look,
Not the bird. Don't look at the bird.
You see the grass?
Yeah.
You see the... He looked down.
Do you see the...
Do you see it?
Yeah.
You see it?
Ooh, I see it.
No.
Not the bird. He's like looking at the bird. It's not the bird. It is the alligator. This next section,
We are heading into these bunches of trees, and it is like a forest. We're going to walk through.
British Discovery Channel commercials.
that's a good idea. How does it go?
I got it. I got it. As you can see the white bird laying under the tree in its natural habitat, of course. It is a predator to small fish and other small things. But there's an alligator right next to it.
Look at that. We just saw a bird go.
And it does not want to spook the alligator, or else the alligator will eat him.
He's whispering, or else the alligator will eat him.
Oh, the gator will eat him.
One bird in that tree.
Oh! Yo!
Come on, guys. They must see something because there's like 9 photographers there.
Yeah. Whoa, I thought these were all birds. What the heck?
Where?
Sage spotted it.
We found out. Tiny birds. Tiny birds.
Oh, it's so sad. There's like a bunch of birds on it.
I know.
Look at the little birds, though.
This is so sad. It's just like one lonely tree with like a bunch of birds on it. Yeah, we're floating. Look, Xavier, look at that tree. See? Yeah. What color is it? It's gray. Yeah.
Food run, go!
Oh, that's right. Food challenge.
It's Mike. Emma.
And you have to share with Day.
I will.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
You like it's not that hard.
Do it, Xavier. Come on. Oh!
Alligator. Scary. Reverse teeth.
What is it? You see the birds?
I like when you can actually see.
What is it? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Look at his head's all the way in the water.
Where? Yeah, I set them up like this.
Do you see it?
Oh yeah. I like them crumble.
1, 2, 3. This bird is always here and
What are we
he
gonna
poops
get,
on
Xavier?
whoever passes him, so be careful.
Can we get him a diaper?
We might need a diaper. Go.
Nobody knows and they're just like,
Seriously, this one is a pooper.
it happened.
Shoot. Yeah.
No. It's his. This is where he lives.
Come on, someone.
Whoa.
Take it away.
Go. Now, Emma, you run. You're the leader. Xavier, go past quick. Quick, guys. Xavier, go quick. He might poop on you. Sammy, go fast. Oh, go. Everybody go. Go. You guys he's going to shoot out right at you. Go, Noah. You guys. Signing off.
Signing off. No reporting. No, we just rate me 5 stars on Yelp. I'll be here all week.
Well, it was a lot of fun. I'm glad we came today.
No,
I'm so glad we met everybody.